PSU Banks because they're higher in trade amid expectations that the drop in bond yields will improve the Treasury gains for most of them. Abhishek is standing by with the details on this. Abhishek.
Well, as you mentioned, the decline in bond yields is being factored by many investors after yesterday's budget speech. So positive news for PSU Banks is that the FY24 budget deficit has been at 5.8% of GDP. FY25 is about 5.1% of GDP, and target for FY26 is largely to retain the deficit at about 4.5%. So prudent fiscal actually, aids in decline in 10-year GSEC. Gross and net market borrowings through securities in FY25 is estimated at 14.1 lakh crore and 11.75 lakh crore respectively. FY24 gross market borrowing is lower than FY23 borrowing, which was about targeted at 15.4 lakh crore. So lower borrowings can aid in bond yields, to soften going ahead, and this can actually help the Treasury gains for many PSU banks who have a large part of their portfolio in SLR or the Treasury side of their business. So if you take a look at the price movement, over the last 1 year, it's been massive for some of the PSU banks. Bank Nifty is up nearly about 13-14%. Nifty is up about 24% plus on a YY basis. But take a look at PSU stock price movement. SBI has gained about 24% plus. Bank of Baroda has gained more than 67% in terms of stock price movement over the last 1 year. Canara Bank above 81%, and PNB, which has been a massive outperformer, has gained more than 146% in terms of stock price movement. And if you take a look at the valuation change on a 1 year forward basis, highest valuation change has been for PNB, which is followed by Canara Bank and then Bank of Baroda. However, SBI's 1 year forward valuation in terms of price to book value multiple has increased to just 1.4% versus 1.3% that it was trading last year same time. Back to you.
Thank you, Abhishek, for that. In fact, if you could just keep that valuation. Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all our top stories and news updates, follow us on our social media platforms.